You're painting at an inflatable paint booth. Suddenly the rain starts coming. Then the inflatable paint booth starts to leak. What do? Don't worry, let us help you. Today we're going to show our latest waterproof inflatable paint booth. But first we're going to talk about our raw material. What's one huge difference between normal Oxford cloth and Hnjoytoys waterproof special Oxford cloth? In the video below, I'll be testing normal Oxford cloth and Hnjoytoys waterproof special Oxford cloth. I'll be doing this by pouring the same amount of water on the surface of each fabric sample. If no water drops on the floor, then we can be sure that the fabric is waterproof. The normal Oxford cloth lets water and contaminants soak in. Once water starts pouring on it, you can see where it gets soaked into the fabric and starts to leak. Hnjoytoys waterproof inflatable spray booth uses a special cloth. That special cloth does not let water and contaminants in. How do we get a completely waterproof paint booth? The secret is Hnjoytoys' use of customized Oxford cloth, with coatings like polyurethane, silicone, or laminated material. Another secret that allows our mobile paint booth to be waterproof is that our seams are taped over to prevent water from going through the tiny holes in the stitching. So now you know how we make our products here at Hnjoytoys. At Hnjoytoys, our waterproof paint booth uses tough, waterproof material, and we tape over all the seams to prevent water leakage so you can use it even in the rainiest weather. Well guys, that's today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you guys in the next one.